Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you guys for joining me. I am Mayo, aka MomBossMayo, and I just want to come live real quick to share with you guys what amazing is going on today. This is the last 12 hours of my special promotion. So as you guys come on in, hit hashtag live if you're watching live, or hashtag replay if you are catching the replay, because you guys do not want to miss this opportunity to get started in a free business and have access to hundreds of tax benefits as a home business owner. So I'll just come live real quick because at noon our founder will be live on our website, myeconinformation.com, and you can come over there and join us and get the full details of the business, get the full details of what the business can do for you, whether you need to increase your credit score, whether you have a good credit score but just need to increase your cash flow, whether you need to eliminate your debt, whether you need to get your investment portfolio built, whether you're trying to start a business for your child. All those questions can be answered if you join me live in literally the next 15 minutes. And we're actually doing this 3 more times today. So it's one at noon, one at 4, and then one at 6. And this is all Central Time. Again, our multi-millionaire founder, he's worth multiple hundreds of millions. He will be doing the information and also sharing the information and also answering any questions that anyone will want to ask him on how this business can benefit you. Again, this is the last 12 hours for you to get started completely free, access for 30 days, so you can come in. This is going to give you access to the do-it-yourself credit system. This is going to give you access to the W-4 training, where you can correct your W-4 and bring more of your paycheck home, where you can use that income to pay off debt or invest. You're going to be able to learn how to invest your money, even starting off with as little as $1. That $1 over years could be compounded into so much more money. You can come in and get the free business credit training only for my team. So anyone that joins our team, you actually get the free business credit training, the step-by-step 3-part training. You can get your business set up properly, where not only it's set up properly, but you actually get the correct funding, for your business, and you're not actually using your personal funds, your job funds, to fund your business. But yeah, I just wanted to come live real quick because I wanted to talk about some people, or some actual, not people, but some different types of jobs that would benefit from having this business. The first one that I want to talk about is if you are a realtor or a broker, how this business will benefit you. You're probably wondering, like, how would this business benefit me? Okay, it will benefit you because you sell houses, right? Your goal is to sell houses to clients. Okay, so how many times have you had a client come to you and they don't qualify, they can't qualify to get the home loan, and you just basically have to send them on their merry way? You may refer them to a credit repair specialist that's going to charge them hundreds or even thousands of dollars to repair their credit, where honestly they don't even have that money to pay for it anyway. So with this, you can actually offer them this digital service. It's a do-it-yourself, so you're not actually doing the work for them. So basically they can repair their own credit and come back to you and purchase that home when the credit is over that mark, where they can get that lowest APR, because that's what it's all about. You don't want to be paying for your home 2 and 3 times over with a credit score in the 500s, where if you would have waited and got that score over 740, then you're paying for the home 1 time versus 2 and 3 times. Let's say if you are a tax professional in this, if you are a tax professional and you're not recommending, okay, and you're not recommending to your clients that they should have a home-based business, then you may need to do some research and get on and started in this as well, because you can benefit your clients as well. Not only can you benefit from doing their taxes for them, so you get that income, whatever that is, but you also refer them to a digital service to get them access to benefits having a home-based business that can also minimize their taxes, give them more expenses versus bills. So it's a win-win for you. So that's why if you are a tax professional, you should get started in this digital service, because that's what it is. So it's not a conflict of interest because it's a digital service. It's nothing that you're physically doing. You are just referring them to a link. They get started, they get their login and email, they get their login, and they get started on whatever path they want to get started on. So if the W-4 is where they want to get started, which I recommend anyone that has a 9-to-5, that that's your first step. You come in, you do the 8-minute W-4 training, correct your W-4, and bring more of your paycheck home. So now you have more money to leverage. Money to leverage to pay down debt, pay down credit card, to invest that can compound for you. Okay, then your next step is to fix your credit. So you're going to go through the 24-minute credit system, step by step, literally step by step. And follow that. Now you're boosting your score. So now you're boosted your score and your cash flow, because you're bringing more of your check home to do more with it. So you increase your cash flow, and then you're eliminating debt. So when you eliminate debt, you really increase your cash flow. So if you have a car or a home, I'm sure you want to pay those off before they're actually due to be paid off. So this is a personal financial strategy system, success system, that you can actually come in and learn how to pay your mortgage off faster than the 30-year or the fixed year, or pay your car off faster than the 5-year or the 3-year. Because basically, good credit versus bad credit. Again, if you are a car dealer or a car salesman, you own a dealership, then you should be a part of this. And let me tell you why. You have clients come in all the time. They come in, ooh, I want to get this car, knowing they don't qualify for it. So you run their credit, they don't have the proper score, and then guess what? They end up getting a car they don't want because that's what they have to settle for, or they end up getting no car at all because the down payment is so high because their credit score is so low. So what you could do is offer them this digital service. Hey, I know you wanted that BMW, and your credit score is around 660. Let me show you to get it here, where the down payment is 0, the APR is 0, and then so they sign up, fix their own credit. You get paid for the sign up because it's an affiliate marketing. We refer people to everything all day long and don't get paid for it. So this is a way for you to use the knowledge that you are given. They sign up, they fix their credit, and then they come back to you 2-3 months later and get the car that they want, not the car that they had to settle for, and get it for the price that they want to get it. Because let me tell you, good credit versus bad credit, y'all, literally, if you have a car and you have, let's say, like I said, your credit score is in the 500s. I'm trying to find my spot. I'm sorry, y'all. You have a credit score in the 500s, and sorry, y'all, I'm getting there. Let's see, I couldn't write this part down, otherwise I would have. Bear with me, y'all. Leave me some comments or some questions if you have some questions, because I will be ending this in 8 minutes, because I am excited to get this information from our founder. He is worth, like I said, a founder is worth over $800 million, and he takes his time out of his entire Saturday to blitz. Basically gives your people the opportunity to come in and see what they're actually getting, and it's free. So like, we like free, so come and get you a free business that's still going to give you the benefits as if you paid $100 million for the business. You'll have the same tax benefits that Jeff Bezos has, having his multi-billion-dollar company, with you starting this free business. So I don't want you to overthink and look at price versus value, because this business has a lot of value. But back to the good credit versus bad credit. So let's say you have good credit, which means your credit score is, over 700. We're going to say that, but it could be even better. And you have bad credit, let's say it's in the 500s. You have a $20,000 loan over the term of 5 years. Your interest as a person with good credit would be around maybe 6%. I can vouch for that because my last car, I had that APR. Bad credit, your APR could be as high as 26%. I can also vouch for that as well because one of my second car was around that, I think, because I had to get out of a upside. It's a long story. So you're looking at a monthly payment of $387 with good credit versus $599 with bad credit. So basically you paid over $15,000 more in interest with bad credit where you would have only paid $3,000. So bad credit costs you money, believe it or not. Same thing with the house. If you have a $200,000 fixed income on a 30-year mortgage, if your credit score is less than 560, you're going to be looking at a $2,200 mortgage at a 12.9% rate. And these are all just guesstimate, rates. Paying over almost $800,000 for that $200,000 house versus if you had a credit score over 740, your note would be around $958, a 4% interest rate, and you're paying maybe a total of $344,000 for the house versus paying for it two and three times over. So bad credit does cost you, believe it or not. Everything that we need in life runs off credit. In order to get the newest cell phone, 0 down, you need credit. In order to get the car, credit. House, credit. Some jobs, credit. Apartments, credit. Loans, credit. Like, credit is needed, and that's what the wealthy use. They use credit, but they also have the cash flow to pay the credit, but the credit benefits them. That's how they get those reward points when they're flying for free and traveling for free. So imagine getting a part of this travel, coming in this business, upgrading to the travel club for $9.95 and save up to 70% of your travel without being a travel agent. Take a look at the opportunity. Like, literally, I've seen villas in Bali for $14 a night. Like 4 and 5 star villas, y'all. So I'm going to show some of that information a little later on. But tonight at midnight, the free offer to get started in this do-it-yourself credit business that also includes the income shifting membership where you're going to correct your W-4. It includes the cash flow management app, the tax record keeping app. It includes the investment training, the free business credit when you're a part of our team. It also includes, and it's a business within a business, so you don't have to get started and wonder what business or what products you're gonna what you're gonna sell. It's a digital service. It's done for you. So come in, increase your score. If you don't need to increase your score, increase your cash flow, eliminate your debt. I hope to see you guys joining us on the live. I'm gonna put it in the comments what the website. Just go to myeconinfo.com and just join the Zoom at noon. Hope to see you guys there. If you can't join the one at noon, join us at 4. And if you can't join us at 4, then join us at 6. And let me make sure. Yes. You can join us at noon Central Time, 1 o'clock Eastern, 3 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Eastern, and then 6 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Eastern. Go to myeconinfo.com. and come and get you a free business before the year ends. Take advantage of some of the tax benefits that you can still use on your upcoming tax season. I hope you guys enjoyed this information, and I hope to see you guys on the right side of credit, the right side of travel, the right side of your finances. Have a great day. Goodbye.